Come check out the Disney Drop Shop with me. This is located in Disney Springs with inside the co-op building. This is blind boxes from different brands like Cosby, Beast Kingdom, and Pop Mart. It is a fun spin on different items. So see what I unboxed this time.
This and it's a little spin on their characters that Disney has. This one that I have in my hand is the Demo World Disney. So I talked to the personnel there and they said their turnover is monthly. So when you're in there, you see something you like, I suggest you buy it because it probably won't be there if you come back at a later point in time. So I'll be doing a unboxing of the three blind boxes I bought. So this is the first one I got. This is a spin on Disney characters and a little fun. So let's see what's in this. Let's see what's particularly in this box right here. So this is exciting because it's something new that Disney keeps inventing and keeps doing to keep you entertained. But this is also at Disney Springs, so make sure you look at Disney Springs. So we got it open. Let's see who we got. So I don't know who this character is, but let's look on the side of the box. This is Goofy's prank. So Goofy slipping on a banana peel. So that's what this first one is. It's pretty cute. It's pretty fun. Build quality is great. Feels great in the hand. So I probably will go back and get some different ones. This one is a spin on Toy Story. Sorry the box is a little damaged. It got damaged in transit. I really want to keep the boxes, but I don't think I'll be able to keep this box. So as you can see, different characters on the side. This one is Toy Story based. So let's pop this one open and see who's in this one. Really hope I get Woody or Buzz because those are my two favorite Disney characters. So, all right, here's a moment of truth. Bummer. I got Rex. Nothing exciting. The little dinosaur. I wish I would have bought more than one of these because I'm not a fan of Rex. So, and the last one I got from the Disney Co-op is Baby Grogu. So hopefully I get a cool Grogu in this one. So let's see. If you don't know who Grogu is, he is from Star Wars Mandalorian. Oh, I got him in his little seat, and this is a bobblehead, so he is bobbling. So this is pretty cool to do. I really enjoyed this unboxing. I do plan on getting more of these little guys when I do go back to Disney. So if you're interested in something different or a blind box, check out the Disney Co-op in Disney Springs. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share.